Alright, so got the new thermostat. Took the old one out. Tell me why is no thermostat in my thermostat. So somebody put a water pump on here last year when I was out of town. And I'm guessing he broke the thermostat when he was messing with it. So I've been riding around for the last, I don't know, 6-7 months with no thermostat at all. That's probably why I've been getting one of them codes, but whatever. So got a thermostat, about to put this on. Don't have to worry about my thermostat being stuck as a problem because I never had one. So that could have been another issue for some other stuff. But yeah, I'm throwing it off right now. But let me go ahead and put this on. Alright, so first test drive after putting the thermostat in. I hadn't really done, well, I probably drove maybe 7-8 miles, maybe 10, but it's been staying at like 171, 172, so not bad. Still gotta go through like a day of like actually driving to work, sitting in traffic, doing all of that, but so far so good. So just updating as I go.